How to create a schedule post for your YouTube channel. Welcome to another video clip from Tech for All. If you're not a member, please subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified for new videos. Let's start. Open your browser. Go to youtube.com. Click on your profile icon and select YouTube Studio Beta from the menu. Select Videos from the menu. Click on this icon to upload a video. Select Upload Video from the menu. Select the video you want to upload. Click on Open button. Now from the visibility option, click the Scheduled. Select the date you want to upload the video on. I will select, for example, 30th of August 2019. On what time the video should be uploaded, select the time. For example, I want to upload the video on 1 AM. As I'm living in Afghanistan, it has already selected the Afghanistan time zone. After your video is uploaded and processed, click on the Publish button. Here you can see that it will be published on Friday, August 30, 2019 at the time that I have selected, which is 1 AM. That's all. If you have enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.